classic hamstring. That means we'll be out for 3 weeks, 4 weeks maximum, and will certainly not be available for England as well. It's very frustrating for him, but he played more games than ever this season. But in the last 2 months, I feel he was a bit in and out, and he has shown again on Monday night what an important player he can be, you know, for Arsenal and for England. And it's a shame that in the final sprint he's not there. Many times we have managed to win the game. That's what our target is tomorrow again. The points, when you look at the table, every point is important now, and for us, we know that our home form will be decisive as well at the end. So we have 6 home games, and every game is of course vital now.